notes already. So very thick.
Where is it?
Okay? Yeah. Do you print out?
Print out lah.
You can refer to the notes, practical notes of this exercise. I give you about quite a number of pages of to read out before you come here. Okay. So this exercise is very simple. You need to just measure. This is a process capability study. We call process. That means we already machine this piece on one of the machine called machine number set 1. Machine number 1. Okay. I simulate that this is a CNC machine. You know a CNC machine?
Yeah.
Turning? So you have done, or grinding or whatever.
Yeah.
So you already done this part according to the drawing. The drawing, the critical dimension is this one. This is diameter 5. Okay. So we produce every hour. This first hour we collect 5 pieces. Okay. This will be your sample number 1. This sample number 2. Second hour. Just imagine that in 1 hour you produce many pieces, right? Okay, but every hour you just randomly go and pick up 5 pieces and name them 1 to 5. Second hour, pick 5 pieces, name them, okay, and so on. Put it in a proper setup like this. So 20 hour. The best is more lah, at least 50 but I don't give you so many. I only give you 20 sample. So sample number 1, sample number 2, sample number 3, up to sample number 20. You record down the reading. Okay, sample number 1 right here. 5 pieces, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Record down. So how to measure, you know, right?
Is it only got one of these each group?
Yeah, there are 2 groups. Group 1 here, group 2 there.
Group 3 do something else.
I thought can like 2 person in the same group do the thing together.
Actually,
But inaccurate.
Can I tissue paper?
It's different.
Okay, so first thing is that you need to clean your. So what is your concern?
Oh no, nothing.
Your group got how many person?
3.
3. So you do here 3
Yeah.
person.
Oh yeah.
Okay, clear?
Okay.
Then share your data.
Oh yeah.
If you are your 3 person, you think that they measure wrongly, all right? Okay, then you can measure. Everybody can measure yourself if you have the time lah. Clear?
Yes.
Or you want to measure, you divide your job lah. Okay, group
But will
1.
it be inaccurate? Cause like different people.
Exactly, this is what I meant. Okay, so the best is 1 person measure. Okay, and then after that, because you got 2 hours here, okay, the second person can measure, right? Then the third person can measure. If you have the time, 3 person measure your own. That would be the best, because your data, my data, his data, all different. Clear? So I leave it to you. Okay, but you want to share your data, by all means. Clear? But that machine, you can share your data, share your duty. Okay, you got so many dimensions. Okay, I'll measure this, I'll measure that. Okay, and then you have practice among the 3. Everybody must have the chance to measure at least 2 or 3 features. Clear? You don't want, then it's your problem, because you will not be able to understand the whole measuring process. You are going to suffer. Okay, because in the exam, when I ask you question, if you don't know measure, you don't measure yourself, you will be completely not. You are unable to pass with good result. You need to practice. Clear? It's just like driving test, right? If you don't practice, can you drive? You just cannot lah. Correct? So practice make perfect, and then you can understand the whole process. Okay, so how to clean this? Okay, so for those who feel tired, means you cannot sleep in the night, right? You have not sufficient sleep, so please beware, right? You need to spend your time to sleep. Okay, divide your time evenly. All right, you need to have some discipline. I don't have to say too much. Okay. Those who come here feel sleepy, that means you're lack of sleep. So why you're lack of sleep, I don't know. It's your own personal problem. Okay. Try to cultivate a good habit. Okay. Go everywhere is the same. Alright. You cannot say you can't sleep. You need to do something about your sleep. A person must sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Right? Then you will be no problem. If you cannot sleep, then you need to have some help, either doctor or whatever. Yeah, it's true. Because you are going to spoil your body. Our length of life is about 80. Okay, if you lack of sleep, it becomes 60. I'm already reaching there already. Okay, yeah, very very fast. I will be reaching 80. Okay, your life is still long. Okay, everybody can. Some of them I can see in the newspaper. They can have life up to 101. One lady lately, I see on the obituary 101. So if you want to have that type of life, you need to sleep. Okay, and you need to eat healthily. Cut down your sugar. First thing is cut down your sugar. If you cut down your sugar, you'll be healthy. Yeah, this is for true one. Scientists already say, or your doctor always advise you. You must have sugar but cut down. Cut down your rice. Eat only 50% of rice. The rest all vegetable and meat. You can eat a lot of fat, no problem. But sugar, cut down. Your energy come from your fat. It's okay, but not from your sugar. That's true one. My experience.
Yeah.
You can eat a lot of fat, but also not too much. Moderate. Okay, so how to measure, how to set to 0? Okay, I forget. Talk too much. I talk too much. Okay, first thing clean. You know how to clean, right? Put 3 times. Okay, then set to 0. 1, 2, 3. You see, perfectly 0. Okay, then measure. Measure in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Record down.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So very simple. Repeat this one for all
100.
all the 100 pieces. Okay. Sample number 1, 5 data. Data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You done before.
Yes.
Okay. This one, sample 2. Okay, measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then the maximum is out of the 5, the highest one.
Yeah.
Then the
So
minimum-
this is to calculate the range.
Oh,
Range is what? The amount of 5 data,
the highest
the highest
and
here,
the lowest.
and the lowest here.
X bar is the minimum. The average.
Average.
R is
R is this one minus this one, right?
Yeah.
R. So repeat this.
Oh, remarks is for.
Accept or
Remark later on. Yeah, this.
Wow.
Yeah, this one I make mistake. I should have give you
Skill
another.
list,
Okay, never mind. I should have given you another data. This is not the latest.
But you can still add into blackboard with print.
Yeah. Yeah, some of that. Okay, never mind. You can use this. Alright. I think I written here very easily. It is stated here very clear. Okay, so after you have done this, you can calculate among this what is the highest maximum. This one what is the minimum.
Okay.
Okay. Then this one X bar is this one, right? The average of the averages. This one add up, divide by 20, you get this. This one add up, divide by 20, you get this.
Okay.
Then you can find the standard deviation here. I think I give you another.
What's the difference between the new
Yeah.
and the trials?
That's why you need to after that plot this data on the X bar R chart. Okay, to monitor whether any data out of the X bar R chart.
So the new is
The new is you discard those point that is out of the X bar R chart. Maybe this is out of the X bar R chart. Then you just put a remark.
the chart.
Discard.
Where is this?
Yeah, then over here.
Oh.
X bar, right? What is the control limit line? What is the center line? Where's the lower control limit line? Range chart is here. Can you see? Center line.
Center something theorem.
Central limit theorem.
Yeah.
No, we are central limit theorem is here lah. The standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2. This is the original data. This is the new data. Clear? New data here. New data is the data whereby you already check any point that is out of the X bar R chart. That means the process is not stable, right? When the process is not stable, you cannot use the data to calculate the CP and CPK.
Okay.
So please read out. Maybe I will load another chart. Okay, a new chart.
Then we can print.
Yeah. Then you can check. I got 2 columns here to use this chart to check. So okay, any question? Any question?
No question.
And after that you can calculate the CP, CPK here. Okay, please go and read up how to calculate your CP and CPK. What is U? What is L? What is the upper specification limit, right? U. What is the lower specification limit, L? From the drawing you can calculate. Okay. What is the standard deviation of the process after it is stabilized? What is CP? Okay, CP is tolerance divided by 6 sigma. Okay, so what is it? The calculation is here. Use the formula. Calculation is here. Okay, and the result is here. Okay, then after conclusion. I think I will load a new. I think.